Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You sign in and land on the GitHub dashboard. Once there, scan the main panel for notifications and recent activity. Immediately pin the repos you work with most so they are always visible. Next, open the issue and pull request widgets to see pending work. This saves time. Make sure to enable repository shortcuts and filter by organization if you belong to several. By starting here, you focus on actionable items instead of navigating menus, which speeds up every following step. Once done with the dashboard overview, dive into issues and pull requests. You apply filters like author and label to narrow results, then triage by priority using the sort options. Assign owners, add clear labels, and connect PRs to the related issues so context travels with the work. For complex changes, request reviews and mark drafts to prevent premature merges. Make sure to set milestones for release grouping. This keeps scope clear and reduces last-minute surprises as you move toward completion. You finalize work by running required checks and merging with the correct strategy, squash, rebase, or create a merge commit, depending on your workflow. Once merged, confirm linked issues closed and update project boards so progress is visible. If continuous integration fails, inspect the job logs to pinpoint the error, rerun only the failing jobs when possible, and revert the commit if it breaks main. One key troubleshooting tip: check branch protection rules and required status checks first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.